today we'll talk about how can you disable direct messages notifications on your Discord app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down here and you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on get notifications outside of Discord. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you come here to direct messages. Click in this sign here or this color. That like you see color, it's gone. That's mean direct messages notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.